Hey friends, today we learn how to delete all videos at once on TikTok. For that, open TikTok, click on profile icon. There is no method on TikTok where you delete all your TikTok videos at once. You simply delete your videos, simply click on. Then click on three dots. Then scroll down. Then click on delete. Then click on delete. That's how you can delete your TikTok videos one by one. If you cannot have too much followers on your TikTok account, simply go and delete your TikTok account. For delete your TikTok account, simply click on three lines. Then click on setting and privacy. Click on account. Here you see deactivate or delete account, simply click on. Then click on delete account permanently. Then click on skip on the upper corner. Then select the option. Then click on continue. And when you click on continue, you successfully delete your TikTok account. If you like our video, please subscribe.